No working smoke alarms in any New Hampshire deadly home fires. Sunday, yesterday, starts National Fire Prevention Week. National Fire Prevention Week started yesterday on Sunday, and New Hampshire's Division of Fire Safety stressed the importance of working smoke detectors. In 2020, the division experienced one of the deadliest stretches in the state's recent history, and a common factor was the lack of working smoke detectors. The state fire marshal's office said 8 people died in 7 home fires this year, and there were no confirmed working smoke alarms. The Division of Fire Safety said this year, from March to May, was the second deadliest 3-month period in the past 10 years for deadly fires. The state fire marshal said in the Granite State, an average of 6 to 7 people die in house fires a year. Across the country, an average of over 3,000 people lose their lives. According to the fire marshal's office, most deadly fires in New Hampshire start between 6 p.m. and 6 a.m., and they recommended closing the bedroom door before you fall asleep. If a fire begins in your house, the smoke and carbon monoxide will fill your bedroom rapidly, the fire marshal said. These days, it particularly because most everything is made of some sort of synthetic or man-made materials opposed to natural fibers. The smoke is very toxic. Fire officials also stressed fire safety in the kitchen. They said if something is on the stove, do not leave the kitchen, and the same applies to candles. And it is very important to make sure your smoke detectors work. A good recommendation when we fall back or spring ahead during those times of the year, that's when you should check the batteries in your smoke detectors. And here at the Riley King Network, we have our smoke detector right here, as you can all see, right here at the Riley King Network in our studio. And here is what the smoke detector sounds like. Let's take a listen. So if you hear that sound, you should get out of the building, the house, right away. Even for fire alarms, get out. Do not stay inside. And, that does it for this news report right here on the Riley King Network. Thank you for watching. I'm Riley King. Goodbye.